Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to solve the automatic switch off problem on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, solving the automatic switch off problems allows you to use your Infinix phone more effectively for work, communication, and entertainment, enhancing your productivity and convenience in daily tasks. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, you might have turned on the schedule power on and off on your device, so you can turn it off. Okay, enter to the settings on your device. Okay, next you can scroll down and choose system menu. Okay, so here select schedule power on or off and restart option. After that, turn it off like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to solve the automatic switch off problem on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.